Crank it up, it's time to ride.
1, 2, 3, like a bird I sing. All you've given.
Where are we going, baby?
We're gonna go visit the old Florida attractions.
Alright, Thursday, day one. Man, it's cold. We're getting a late start. We're going from Gainesville down to Tampa, and we'll find a motel in Tampa.
Mikey, we're going tonight, we're going down 301 to dance at Dallas Bull. But our ultimate goal is the Florida Cattle Trail, right?
Yep.
Down to Arcadia.
We'll be down to Arcadia. Tonight we're going to go Tampa with somebody, we just don't know who yet.
I tell you, it's great having Steve with us. I'm always wondering what he's going to say next. He keeps it going. Because of the late start, we didn't take 301. We went 75 all the way to Wildwood, then we got on 301.
Pioneer Village in Dade City, Florida. By God.
Did y'all see the drive-in theater?
Yeah.
Did you see what was playing?
No, I didn't.
Marley and Me.
Oh, really?
And right next door was the
Building 3 at the Pioneer Florida Museum and Village.
And this is where they used to have a mill in the whole village.
If I remember right, this here is the school right here. And then we'll be coming up on the church. Everything laid out close together right here on this hill. And this here is the church, inside the church. Kind of looks like where they might have kept their chickens or something there. And then you had the outhouse and the smokehouse right here. To the left there you can see where they keep their corn cobs. Man, I bet you that's cold in the wintertime, and there's their smokehouse.
I'm the son of a third generation.
They had a little collection of tractors here, and then right across from the tractors inside they had a big collection of horse buggies. We kind of went through here pretty fast, but I could see it'd be very easy for you to spend 4 or 5 hours exploring here. They have quite a museum. Here's another one of those things like, what the heck is this? Finishing the tour at this neat locomotive, and about time to get back on the road. Sun's going down. We only have about an hour of daylight left, so we're saying goodbye to Dade City.
Marshall.
Hi.
I like catching her off guard. Here we're in Tampa, and we stayed at the 301 Motel. It's a mom and pa motel, pretty neat. One thing nice about it's the convenience. Here's the restaurant, the 301 restaurant we ate at, and all this is right across the street from the Dallas Bull. And then we spent the night over there, and then the next morning on the road.
39 degrees, Tampa, Friday morning. Here we're at the Motel 301.
This gives you a perspective. There's the Dallas Bull where we were last night.
That's where we're going to eat in a few minutes. And here we're at the motel.
Just a few miles down the road was this Western Wear store. We stopped there for a few minutes, and here's day 2, starting off in Tampa and heading over to Arcadia.
It was 1989, my thoughts were short, my hair was long. Caught somewhere between a boy and man. She was 17 and she was far from in between. It was
This section is Holmes Beach all the way through Longboat Key to Sarasota. Right here you could really notice the difference in temperature. It got cold, man.
Splashing through the sandbar, talking by the campfire. It's the simple things in life, like when and where. We didn't have no internet, but man, I never will forget the way the moonlight shined upon her hair. And we were trying different things, and we were smoking funny things, making love out by the lake to our favorite song, sipping whiskey out the bottle, not thinking about tomorrow, singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Catching walleye from the dock, watching the waves roll off the rocks. She'll forever hold a spot inside my soul. We'd blister in the sun, we couldn't wait for night to come to hit that sand and play some rock and roll. While we were trying different things, and we were smoking funny things, making love out by the lake to our favorite song, sipping whiskey out the bottle, not thinking about tomorrow, singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long. Singing Sweet Home Alabama all summer long.
It's really pretty. Did you see that Bayfront Drive in Sarasota? They changed those statues. Because the last time we were here with Dave and Winnie, there was a big old tooth right there. So they changed the statues periodically.
This is a picture of the statue Jill was talking about when we just got into Sarasota. Here we're leaving Sarasota and we're heading over to Solomon's Castle and meet up with Dion.
All week long, punching that clock dust till dawn, counting the days till Friday night. That's when all the conditions are right for a good time. I need a good time. Yeah, I've been working all weekend.
Solomon's Castle. I'm putting a link on the webpage with the movies on here for you guys to get a little more information out of this. Neat place to stop in the middle of nowhere. Here we met up with Dion. We're at the parking lot and everything right by Solomon's Castle. Okay, out in the middle of nowhere, you know what you're going to do. You're going to play with the camera some, so let's do it.
Out in the country past the city limit sign where there's a honky-tonk near the county line, the joint starts jumping every night when the sun goes down. They got whiskey, women, music and smoke. It's where all the cowboy folk go to boot scoot boogie. I got a good job, I work hard for my money. When it's quitting time, I hit the door running. I fire up my pickup truck and let the horses run. I go flying down that highway to that hideaway, stuck out in the woods.
Still day 2, and this was where we say goodbye to Dion. He rode with us some at Zufo Springs. On we go.
Let's go, Bootsy. Whoa, Cadillac.
Where are we at now?
Arcadia. We're here in Arcadia
I don't
town.
know if there's any cows left here. Did
I wonder if there's any cow bale.
Yeah. Did y'all see the big hog in the ditch?
Yep.
That was a big hog.
Still alive, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, but I smelled a bunch of skunk. Did you smell skunk?
I did, but I see a lime one. It was just
Day 3, Acadia to Sanford. And first to stop in Acadia to eat breakfast.
All right.
Road that I said that would come
Kind of funny making this video. I realized I got taller luggage on this trip, so I got a lot of film. When I shoot back towards Marsha, all I see is her helmet now and then clearing my luggage. This section of the trip, we're just heading east.
I don't need your rocking chair, your Geritol or your Medicare. Well, I still got neon in my veins. This gray hair don't mean a thing. I do my rocking on the stage. You can't put this possum in a cage. My body's old, but it ain't impaired. I don't need your rocking chair.
Now that was unusual. There's not many trees, it's all flat out here. We're in Okeechobee. Seen quite a few hawks on this trip down here. Here we met some more people traveling from up north. Man, they had a cool little dog here. After this stop in Okeechobee, we started heading towards Sanford with a stop at Yeehaw Junction and a stop at Heartbreak Hotel and some Gatorland, and then on to Sanford we went. Here we're leaving Okeechobee.
Yeah, here comes Amos. Now Amos Moses was a Cajun. He lived by himself in the swamp. He hunted alligator for a living. He'd just knock him in the head with a stone. The Louisiana law gon' get you, Amos.
Once again, here we are at Yeehaw Junction. A lot of history here. I'll put a link on the site to it. And it seems like every time we come here, we see a lot of bikes.
We'll see you guys later. Alright.
Groceries. Named him after a man of the cloth. Called him Amos Moses. Yeah. Now all the folks around South Louisiana said Amos was a hell of a man. He could trap the biggest, the meanest alligator.
Well, I missed the turnoff here. The last clip was Marsha leading us back to the Heartbreak Hotel.
Well, since my baby left me, well, I found a new place to dwell. Well, it's down at the end of Lonely Street, that Heartbreak Hotel where I'll be just so lonely, baby. Well, I'm so lonely, I'll be just so lonely, I could die. Although it's always crowded, you still can find some room.
Gatorland, we just didn't have enough time. I mean, we've been riding through Orlando on our way to Sanford, so we just made a quick stop. We really didn't make it inside. Next time.
They could die. Now the bellhop's tears keep flowing, the desk clerk's dressed in black. Well, they've been so long on the street, they'll never look back and think it's so lonely, baby. Well, they're so lonely. Well, they're so
The end of day 3, checking in at the Days Inn in Sanford. Then we go across the street to Joe's Crab Shack. We meet up with Ray and Michelle, get something to eat, and then we go to the barn, do some dancing, and then the next morning get ready to hit the road back home. We had to have a quick breakfast at Cracker Barrel, and then we went over to the Harley shop in Sanford, and from there back on the road. Here's what day 4 looks like, leaving Sanford, and again, when we got close to Wildwood, we got on 75 to beeline at home because we had a lot of stuff still to do.
saw it on a show, but I heard it in the alley on the weird radio. If you wanna drink of water, you got to get it from a well. If you wanna get to heaven, you got to raise a little hell. I never felt it in my feet, I never felt it in my soul, but I heard it in the alley, now it's in my rock and roll. If you wanna know a secret, you got to promise not to tell. If you wanna get to heaven, you got to raise a little hell.
So far for day 4, this map shows where most of the ride consists of. Riding through here, it was kind of neat. Jill realized this is where her granddad worked and her mom was born.
Heard it in the alley, now I got it on the run. If you wanna see an angel, you got to find it where it fell. If you wanna get to heaven, you got to raise a little hell.
And here we made a quick stop at Sugarloaf Fountain, and pretty neat looking up here. You can tell you're pretty high up for Florida. I think it's one of the second or the highest place, and kind of give you a perspective where it's at. And back on the road. Well, this is the last clip of our trip. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you on the road sometime. Just get out and ride.
Mississippi in the middle of a dry spell. Jimmy Rogers on the Victrola up high. Mama's dancing, baby on her shoulder. The sun is setting like molasses in the sky.